So lesson number 11 is actually probably the shortest lesson in the packet. So they want us to fill in these blanks. So obviously for the multiplication with fraction algorithm, you multiply straight across. So this is going to be a 2, and this is going to be a 5, and this is going to be a 3, and this is going to be a 6. And they're asking us to explain each step. So the meaning of this is 2/3 of 5, 6, right? So the first thing that we need to do is we need to actually draw a copy of 5, 6. Okay, remember that we can make 6 by making a half and splitting each half into thirds. And we have 5, 6, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shade in 5 of these pieces. Okay, so we have 5, 6, and now this part, right, we're making sense of this part by saying, hey, we have 5, 6, right, and we're looking for 2/3 of it. So when I'm looking for thirds, I need to split each 6 into thirds. So we can do that horizontally. So when I split each 6 into thirds, okay, that changes my BMU. So now my BMU is no longer 6, 6. It's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's where this denominator would come in from. Okay, now the numerator, it says, right, you want 2/3 of 5, 6. Each of these rows represents 1/3 of 5, 6. Remember, we started with 5, 6, and then we split it into thirds. So this represents 1/3 of 5, 6. These two rows together represent 2/3 of 5, 6. So because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces shaded in each row, and I'm looking for 2 rows, that's where the 5 times 2 comes in, and that's 10. So these are all 18ths, and 2/3 of 5, 6 is 10 18ths. Okay. On the back, it's the same deal. Okay, we have 4/5 of 3/4. So we need to start. We're starting with fourths. Remember that this is the operator. It's telling us what we need to do to the other fraction. And in this case, we need to find 4/5 of it. One moment. One, 2, 3. Oops, 3/4. Sorry. Here's fourths. Halves, split each half into half. Shade in 3 of them. Okay, what's going to happen? If I'm looking for fifths of fourths, I need to split each fourth into fifths. So it's 1, I got to do this carefully. 2, 3, and this is going to make 5 equal pieces. Right? This row is going to be 1/5 of 3/4. This row is going to be 2/5 of 3/4. This row is going to be 3/5 of 3/4. This row, 4/5 of 3/4. I should actually say all 4 of those rows, and this would be the entire thing, right? Since the question is asking, hold on, the BMU, right? So we had fourths. What happened to our the size of our BMU when we split each fourth into fifths? Right? 5, 10, 15, 20. So each of these are 20ths, and 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 3 in each row. So 12 20ths is our answer.